Yorubo annyeonghaseyo. So guys, dahil maraming humihingi about sa synonyms na vocabulary guys. So ito na guys. Sobrang napakahalaga din guys sa mga synonyms na vocabulary sa exam. Lumalabas din ito guys. Minsan makikita ito sa fill in the blanks. So dapat pag-aralan nyo din guys sa mga synonyms. So ito na guys. Number one, quote, soon, immediately. Paro, right away, immediately. Nomo, to, very. Meo, 아주, very. 늘, 언제나, 항상, always. Number four, 다, mudo, 준보, all. Number five, 드디어, 마침내, at last, finally, after all. Number six, 값, 가격, price, 고래, 길고래, street. Number eight, 경제, 봉경, scenery. Number 9, game, nori, yung game. Number 10, gunmul, building. Number 11, kisa, unjunsa, driver. Number 12, tano, uwi, word. Number 13, tiwa, iyagi, conversation. Number 14, tooth, imi, meaning. Number 15, mal, uno, language. Number 16, Miel, Nalmada, everyday. Number 17, Morio, Kungza, free of charge. Number 18, Singil, Singsen, birthday. Number 19, Surige, Yuze, trash. Number 20, Yugum, Tiong, charge. Number 21, Kasang, CL, most. Number 22, Munzo, Uson, firstly. Number 23, Mulun, Pangyunye, absolutely, surely. Number 24, Pale, Uso, Ulun, quickly. Number 25, Yakan, Sukom, Sam, a little. Number 26, Puksuada, Ikta, to read. Number 27, Pakuda, Kiwanada, to exchange. Number 28, Sada, Kusangada, to rub. Number 29, Kunupyon, Matsunpyon, across the street. So ayun guys, yan yung mga vocabulary for synonyms guys. So dapat memorize nyo yun as aspirants kung mag-exam kayo, kung plano nyo mag-exam guys. So malapit na yung exam guys, siguro next year, March yan. Yan, sa amin din dati March. So ayun, ayun guys. So ayun yung